he says. I wear these shoes because this is all I have for right now. I made a pair of boots upstairs. Just, can you get them down? Down, baby boy. Of course, I'm your mom. My mom. I live as Diggy. I love you, Ollie. This is so weird. Love you, Jamaica. Yes. Gigi's dead. Is that alright? I want pappies. I want this pappy. Look cute. That's all he's trying to do. He wants to look. He wants to play with his pappy. What you doing here? I love this baby. Jamaica's got his honey, he loves you more.
I know.
He's I'll get him for you, pal, he says. Are you okay?
Yeah, I told you.
Yes, sanitize her eyes, broken. Honey, when do you go?
Jesus Christ. I can breathe.